Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily connect JBL Wavebeam with your Android phone. So it's pretty simple. First I'm going to put them back in. So I want to put them back in. I'm going to take them out. So they are going to automatically be in a pairing mode. And what will happen is that you see right now they are together blinking. So I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth. See, they are looking for connection now. And JBL Wavebeam connect. Now, if this thing is not going to happen, they're not going to connect for you. What you want to do, and this is something that I encourage you to try, go to top right to the settings, go to connections, go to Bluetooth, and under Bluetooth, you're going to find it in available device, and here you can connect it. Now, in the moment when you are going to do it and when you're going to have it finished, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to JBL headphones. This is an application that I highly encourage you to download from the Google Play, JBL headphones. You're gonna JBL Wavebeam, you're gonna find the app here. And right here, you are going to find things like the ambient sound control, the battery life for the left and right. Also the equalizer here. So with the equalizer where you can have vocal, jazz, and all that stuff. So you can turn it on and play around with that. Then you're gonna have the gestures or how you can control the earbuds. This is something that you can control. And then you're gonna have also voice aware here. So this is something that you can do too. And smart audio video, where you can choose it for video mode or audio mode. Then you're gonna have also find my earbuds, and I have the max volume limiter, so you can increase it above or like some point about the volume. And that's pretty much it. It's like super simple, super amazing, and this is how you're gonna use it and pair it with your Android phone. So if you're gonna have any questions, let me down below in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.